know what's going on inside each other's heads. So to start to talk about that and understand it, it's just really important in general in life, not just at school, just going forward. And I think the kids, like all kids know about mental health now and the importance of it, but they don't necessarily know how to deal with it or articulate it, and I think this project really helped them.
View from the inside is a great way to express yourself. It is much like art therapy. You are given the opportunity to make a blank canvas your own. You can personalize it in various ways, and by the end of the artistic concept, you are able to form a monologue that expresses the way you feel.
My eyes are eagle sharp but dangerous at the same time. The foundation is slowly crumbling. I don't know what to do about it. But my inside, no one gets to see that. Only 2 people have ever saw it, and when they have, they made it worse.
The premise of the project was for the kids to create this mask, and then with the outside of the mask is our outside face. We all have an outside face, and then on the inside of the mask is kind of what's going on inside internally that we don't always reveal, and some of the struggles and the battles that we face, and in particular teenagers face in life.
What you see of me is a smile. What you don't see of me is my low self-esteem. The ones who carry me when I struggle are my family. When they're around me, they make me feel safe, happy, and encouraged.